What's your name?
Landon.
Landon?
Uh-huh. My name's Big Daddy.
Big Daddy and Braxton. Okay, you guys gonna be on my YouTube channel. That's the name of it, ManicBeastBoise.
Okay.
Have a good day. GoPro, stop recording. Good GoPro. Good GoPro. Huh? His name. His name's Big Daddy. That's my real name. My YouTube name is Manic Beast. Manic Beast. Okay, see you later. Have your mom and dad help you find that when you get back to Long Beach. We got 45 minutes. We should probably go back to the room. Oh yeah. That the little kid, the Landon kid right there with the ponytail. He said, I'm gonna be on his YouTube channel. He goes, can I? I said, no, you weren't on here when I was recording. He goes, oh. I was like, all right. So I turned it back on. I said, what's your name? That's funny. That's pretty funny.
It was like you're walking off with somebody's kid.
Yeah. Yeah, where's your parents? Oh, this is the jogging track. 7 laps to a mile. We're going the wrong way.
Well, we have to go down and then through the doors. And this would be where the boys would be.
Yeah.
There's water slides. So.
Oh yeah. It'll be so fun to have everybody on here. What a blast for a whole week. Where you guys want to go eat? GoPro, start recording.